You are a superstar. Symbol of a woman who be working for herself. You are a superstar. Owamie, Owamie. Owamie, Owamie. You a vlogger, fashion over. You a being one less than a mugoza. Owamie, Owamie. Owamie, Owamie.
Hi ninjas, how are you guys doing? It's your girl, I'm Meyiwa aka Miss Fair Focal, bring back for our entertainment. If it's the first time joining me, almost divinely welcome. Please do make sure that I subscribe and obviously hit the bell. I absolutely love you, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. It's at boldly Owamie. All the links are in the description box down below. Now my ninjas, let's go ahead and get into this crazy situation. I did not see this one coming. Now my ninjas, the DPP has made a decision that Kelly Khumalo, Longentwala, Zandi Khumalo and many others that were in the house that night in 2014, the fateful night that Senzo Meyiwa left Lumhlaba Wenkosi, that they be charged with murder. Now obviously when I heard about the DPP, I was like, oh, what is the DPP? I definitely had to go check it out, and I know some of you will want to check it out, so I'll go ahead and give it to you right now. So the DPP, from what I saw from Google, it says that the DPP stands for Director of Public Prosecutions. So they're saying that the Director of Public Prosecutions is the office or official charged with prosecution of criminal offenses in several criminal jurisdictions around the world. The title is used mainly in jurisdictions that are or have been members of the Commonwealth of Nations. Okay, I'm just shocked that we even have that in South Africa, looking at the state at which this country is in. However, there is this clip, you guys, that will obviously detail all the names of the people that are there that are being submitted into the docket. So yeah, just go ahead and watch this clip and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Decided that the following people, my lord, be charged, which is number 1, Longentwala; number 2, Kelly Khumalo; number 3, Gladness Khumalo; number 4, Zandi Khumalo; number 5, Tumelo Madlala; number 6, Mthokozi Sithwala; number 7, accused 7, it's Maggie Phiri, my lord. On 2 counts, my lord. Count number 1, the DPP has decided that they must be charged on the count of murder.
Now my ninjas, obviously I do have to give the SABC for that one because they are the ones that basically got that clip. Now ninjas, ziyakhala ke manje, ziyakhala ke manje, who bird mntakamo. It's really bad. It's really bad. So basically guys, there were allegations that came out saying that there is an eyewitness that is going to come out and say that Kelly Khumalo is the one that accidentally shot Senzo Meyiwa, right? The allegation that the gun that was used is Longentwala's gun. So there's a lot of speculations that is now going on exactly what went down in that house that night. So guys, this is like honestly crazy. This is honestly crazy. Like for years and years and years, people have been wanting to know and find out what is going on, exactly what happened to Senzo. I think this is one of those cases that there was a lot of people, myself included, that thought that it is dead and it's gonna just, you know, it's gonna be let go. A lot of irregularities happening. There was a guy that was once arrested, and apparently was a guy that used to wash the car there, and you know, the family did not say anything about that. When the guy was being arrested, they did find that he was not the guy, obviously, and if I'm not too mistaken, in the documentary he did say that he was suing or he was going to sue, which I think he should. I mean, think about it, being arrested wrongfully, and he did say that that also had an impact, because there are certain people that see you arrested and they're just like, Jew is guilty, okay? Jew is guilty. Now, this is honestly crazy. It now just explains a lot, like in terms of, I would believe this story more than I did the first one that came saying that there were people that came into the house. And the reason for that is because, like, why would the house be cleaned and the head put down? Why would the shells be removed? Just a lot of stuff was just not making sense, you guys, when it comes to this case. It is unfortunate that obviously Senzo's father passed away, not having seen this this particular time in this trial that is happening. I don't know exactly what is going on. I don't understand how much power the DPP has if they are saying that they've come to a decision that those people should be prosecuted. You know, I don't know if they have the final say. Obviously, I've got no idea. So the other charges, or the other people are being charged for, they knew what happened in the house and they did not say the truth. They did not say anything. So unfortunately, you guys, they can all literally be thrown in jail. Imagine. Even the mother, like, that is so crazy and that is so sad. Now obviously a lot of us are now sitting here talking about, like, what's gonna happen to Kelly's children. Obviously, if she's going in, the sister's going in, the mother is going in, those kids literally have got no one. Because if you think about it, the child that is Jujub's son doesn't seem like they've got any relationship with the father's side of the family. The child that is Senzo Meyiwa's daughter doesn't seem like they've got any you know, relationship with the father's side of the family. I just feel sorry for the kids. However, justice definitely has to take its course, and I feel like it's also just one of those things where even in the documentary they did say that the same night, was it not the same night? It means they did not even sleep before they went to a sangoma to do a cleansing. Why would you want to do a cleansing if someone just came into your house and you know, do the shooting and stuff? Even if you do believe in that, I feel like you could have gone a night before you actually went there, because I'm sure you'd still also be very shocked and very scared on what exactly just happened. But nope, seems as if I want to just immediately went there. If there's anything that I'll go ahead and say, you guys, is that they always say all is fair in love and war. Is it what? All is game in love and war, all is fair, something like that. Senzo Meyiwa had no business being in that house. Had it been that he was minding the business that God gave him, which is to take care of his own damn wife, I have a feeling he would still be alive, or he would have definitely not died in that house that night. So if it's now coming out even that the woman that he was with, the reason why he was even in that house, is the one that actually pulled the trigger, it must be a sad situation. A very sad one at that. Stay home with your wives, stay home with your husbands. You avoid a lot. How do you explain to God that you were shot at a side chick's house? It's not funny and I'm not laughing, but how do you explain that situation? Where do you even start? We are definitely going to, obviously, I'm now more interested in this case. Because of this whole situation that is going on, I'm very much interested in knowing exactly how it will end and where exactly it's going to go, because this is crazy, you guys. This is absolutely crazy. I literally thought, yes, Kelly must know something, but I never thought that, you know, obviously the allegations that are coming out saying that she's the one that pulled the trigger would actually even, it was something that I never even considered. And you guys need to also remember that she was not even allowed to go to his funeral, which obviously, if this is the case, I'm like, big ups to the family. So they knew all along. I'm sure where Senzo Meyiwa's brother is at right now, he is definitely celebrating, because that man has been saying this for the longest time. And with the people that were counted there, obviously, I don't know other people's names. However, I do hope that those police that were there and also, you know, allegedly putting things under the carpet and whatever, I do hope that they also get arrested and obviously they serve jail time. Okay, jail time. Now the other people that were saying that, you know, had it been that they just confessed back then, they would already be out now. Obviously, because this case took so long, it has now become such a public spectacle. Even if they can come and say it was an accident and cry, the years that they're gonna get now will definitely be way more. I don't even want to lie, because this case definitely showed the incompetence of the police force in South Africa for the longest time, for so many years. And Senzo definitely had some real hardcore fans, hey, because they never allowed it go. They did not let it go. Social media has a lot of power, and when I tell you that the trending has been happening, okay, Khumalo at this point is having to travel with her bodyguards because ciao, things are really bad. Anyway, go ahead and comment down below what you guys think of this whole situation. Did you see this one coming? And did you know what DPP meant? Don't lie, because I've explained to you. A few of you did. Anyway, ninjas, I love you guys. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye, ninjas.